We're playing 3 movies, 1 actor. We'll show you 3 movies. You gotta name the actor.
No way.
Face Off, Leaving Las Vegas, and Ghost Rider.
They're all a Nick Cage movie. So it's one actor,
Yes.
all 3.
Yes.
Boom. Nick Cage, mother. Keep it going.
Little Woman, Midsummer, and Don't Worry, Darling.
This fuck. All right, Little Women. I'm thinking like a Greta Gerwig might be in there. I'm locking it in, but I don't think I'm right.
And the answer is Florence Pugh.
Okay. Now. Midsummer. It's directed by Ari Aster. Okay.
21 Jump Street, The Wolf of Wall Street, Don't Look Up.
21 Jump Street. Well, okay, Jonah Hill.
Jonah Hill it is. The Help, La La Land, and The Favorite.
No. La La Land, we got Gosling and I think Emma Stone. And The Help, I know Emma Stone's in that fucker, so I'm going Emma Stone.
It is Emma Stone. What do you think about Emma Stone?
She seems smart as She scares me too. Her eyes, man.